You better not crash me, that's all. I better not crash him.
Alright.
We got 2 kids, man.
To say that one is truly happy with a wife, I will chew my arm off. At the bone. Yeah, she's not looking, so it's cool. Oh, the team? Yeah, we're ragtag, but you know, they got heart. Some like to drink too much, some like to fuck around, but the video guy, he's on it, he's good.
Say Raunikk. Hey, Raunikk.
Well, I can tell you one thing, if we finish, we'll be the #1 Jeep, that's for sure.
Woo!
Ain't no Jeep's gonna beat us out here today. That's not gonna happen. No, there might be a few that think that they can, but it's just not in the cards, you know. We pulled the deck and fixed it and put it back, and now it's in our favor. There'll be a couple of race cars, you know, 16s, things like that might try and scoot by, but you know, we got secret weapons on this thing, so stay tuned. You know, for that we'll find out.